Hi everyone, this is Pervaiz. I hope you all are doing well and welcome to All the Learning channel. This video is for grade 3 student and it is based on Oxford Reading Comprehension in Grammar Class 3, Unit number 2, a factual recount. So factual recount simply means describing something to someone based on facts. And the name of the recount is We Have Made It at Last. The concluding entry of David Hampleman Adams' diary, who with his companion Rune Gildenus reached the North Pole on 28 April 1998. Read this entry carefully and then come to discuss about these questions. How are feelings shown? You can see these three blue rays pointing toward three words like hope, worried, and confused. These are feeling words that shows your emotion. What tense is mainly used? You can see the word is blue and this is second form of verb, and we all know that we use second form of verb in simple past tense. Are the events in order? When you will read this small passage carefully, you will understand that yes, the events are in order. This is the map of North Pole. North Pole is found near Arctic Ocean and it is very cold place because it does not receive direct sunlight. On our next page, we have two questions. Note the use of phrases in a diary entry. So the phrases are a great feeling and finally went together. Remember them, we will discuss about them later. And the last part of this page is conclusion. So conclusion means the end or finish of an event, process or text. I am going to my next page and here we will discuss about question answers, synonyms, use of phrases and about some creative writings. So here are the questions. How were the men traveling? They traveled by walk. What day of the week did they get to the pole? On Tuesday, April 28, 1998. Why do you think they both went together for the last few meters? I think they started the journey together, so they ended it together. You can write whatever you think about this question. Why do you think there was rubble everywhere at the pole? There might be something made of stone and bricks, and by the time it broken, so maybe that's why there was rubble everywhere. What item were the men carrying? They had a tent, satellite bacon, and some food. Why do you think the same factual information is given at the start of each day? The same factual information on each day is written because it helped us to understand that at which time it was written. Here is the question number 2. Find these words in the diary entry. What do you think they mean? Confused, puzzled, white out, a heavy fog in daylight or snow, spaced out, measure distance, position, place or location. In a diary entry, we can use phrases such as made it. Pick out 3 examples of phrases from Adam's diary entry and rewrite them as a complete sentence. We have 3 phrases in the diary entry. The first one is made it. Second one, a great feeling. And the third one is finally went together. So I am going to use these 3 phrases into 3 different sentences, and I highlighted the phrases in blue color so you will understand it better. So the sentence of first phrase is had they made it, and the sentence of second phrase is winning was such a great feeling, and the last one is Smith and Jim finally went together. Rewrite the diary entry for Monday as though you were a reporter writing about the men. Use the pronoun they and he. The newspaper report has been started for you. So this is the piece of a newspaper. Nearly there. You have to complete it in your own words. For this, simply go to page number 20 and reread the entry of 27 April 1998 and then come to write about it. So I have done a sample for you so you can understand that how to write a report writing. Nearly there. The two men hoped that camping 2 miles from the pole was not a mistake. But they were worried and confused because of whiteout. But hopefully tomorrow they will reach to the North Pole before the storm comes. Let's move to the next topic, and that is adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. For example, he sings loudly. She is eating quietly. So loudly and quietly are two adverbs. This page is about adverbs. The diary entry on page 20 says, "We sat down and ate some chocolate." How many different ways can you think of to describe how they might have eaten the chocolate? We sat down and eagerly ate some chocolate. We sat down and quickly ate some chocolate. We sat down and happily ate some chocolate. So quickly and happily are two different adverbs. You can write as much as you can in your sentences. Or you can use different adverbs. The writer talks about how he feels when he uses the word hopefully. Change the feeling words below into adverb. They all end in suffix ly, ly, but you may need to check the spelling in a dictionary. So first one has been done for you. Anger, angrily. Happy will turn to happily. Sad will become sadly. Joyful, joyfully. Tearful, tearfully. Contented, contentedly. And the last question is, think of 6 more feelings adverb and add them to your list. Amazingly, surprisingly, proudly, seriously, quietly, or silently. Or you can find any other feeling adverbs by using internet. So here is a small history of North Pole. This man name is Robert Peary, and he was US Navy engineer who discovered and reached the North Pole on 6 April 1906 with his few companions. So thank you so much for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you want to know about any other thing, just comment down below and let us know. We will surely make the next video about your queries. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay home and stay safe and follow all the precautions to save yourself from the virus. Take care.